Want to swap faces in a video in just a few clicks without dealing with complicated editing software? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Remaker AI to create seamless face swap videos in 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at Remaker AI, an incredibly popular platform that was actually recognized as a top 50 AI web product globally by A16. It's designed to let anyone edit, enhance, and recreate visuals using simple prompts and pre-made templates. To get started with a face swap video, you'll want to head over to Remaker.ai. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a massive suite of tools under their AI video and video template sections. The process is incredibly simple. You just upload the base video you want to use, upload a clear target photo of the face you want to swap in, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Within seconds, the platform tracks the movement and blends the new face naturally into the video. But Remaker AI isn't just for video face swaps. They have a whole lineup of powerful features, including an AI image upscaler, an instant background remover, a magic eraser to wipe out unwanted objects, and even a unique tool called Nano Banana for creating consistent, realistic images. Now, let's talk about the cost, because this is where Remaker AI does things differently. Unlike almost every other AI tool out there, they do not have a recurring monthly subscription. Instead, they use a pay-as-you-go model. You buy one-time credits that never expire, and you can pay using credit cards, Google Pay, or Apple Pay. This is a massive plus if you only need to use the tool occasionally and don't want another monthly bill. As for the downsides, we want to be completely honest. There currently isn't a lot of independent, verified user review data available for us to share. Because of this limited feedback, we highly recommend trying out their free features or starting with a small credit purchase to make sure the video quality meets your specific standards before diving all the way in. Overall, Remaker AI is an incredibly fast, accessible, and budget-friendly option for creators who want high-quality AI editing tools without the headache of a subscription. Head over to Remaker.ai to try it out for yourself. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and let me know in the comments how your first face swap video turned out. See you in the next video.